Super direct, super smooth. Oh, I love this. This shifter has been acting a little bit clunky lately, so I'm gonna go ahead and reset it and get us some better quality shifts. Some of the gears are fine, but others, it just feels like it drags and gets stuck. So, like right there, 5th gear, doesn't glide and smooth like it used to. 6th gear, same thing. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of today. Go ahead and open this stand up. There we are. Now, I don't usually come in here, but every once in a while I gotta come back and take care of this. I'm still on the stock shifter setup right here, surprisingly, but here we have our shifter cables right here. These little springs. Gonna do this realignment right here and kind of tighten them back up so the shifter can shift again. Do you ever have one of those tools that you keep in your toolkit, but you never really use it? You don't really know why you have it, and then one day you just need it? This is one of those tools for me. We're gonna use this to lock the transmission shifter in place. Check it out. A little bit dirty, but if you can see right here, we've got that black hole right there. And we've got that white hole right there. We're going to use this pin to align them both. And there we are, home safe. You can see we locked it into place right there, the black and the plastic trim. That's stuck in place, the shifter. It doesn't wiggle, at least not as much right now. So we put our shifter back in place. You can see that the springs are expanded again. So we should be able to get back to that shifter now. You can see we took out our locking pin here. Let's put this back down, the shift boot. And let's test it out. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Super direct, super smooth. Oh, I love this. All right, now it's time to take it for a spin, guys. Let's go. Oh, well, let's check out reverse. Reverse is cool too. Is that a Zeal? Oh, it is a Zeal one. Oh. All right. We gonna see. And then we have a 240i with no exhaust. Well, way to go. Alright guys, well there it is. We're gonna go ahead and call it a night, and I am beat. I'm really happy with how this car is driving. The Vortex Accel Turbo has been holding up pretty good. At first I was a little bit, I don't want to say worried, but I did the tweak on there to reset it. So it was my first time kind of like fully getting on it and testing out and everything. And so far, I mean, I shifted well. Everything felt great. So yeah, super stoked about that. We got some good runs in. We saw some really fast cars. And yeah, if you made it this far, please make sure to give the video a like. It helps the channel grow. I can't complain. It was a good night. Saw some nice cars, and hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.